Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of fruit picking jobs in the USA. Whether you're an adventurer seeking seasonal work or a nature enthusiast looking for a unique experience, fruit picking jobs offer a fantastic opportunity to connect with nature, meet diverse people, and earn some money along the way. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover everything you need to know about fruit picking jobs in the USA. From the picturesque apple orchards of Washington state to the vast citrus groves in Florida, the United States is home to a wide variety of fruit-growing regions. These orchards and farms provide thousands of job opportunities to both locals and international workers each year. So, let's dive right in and explore the world of fruit picking. The fruit picking experience. Before we get into the details of how to find fruit picking jobs, let's first explore what the experience is like. Fruit picking is not just about harvesting. It's an immersive journey into the heart of nature. We'll talk about the perks, challenges, and the sense of fulfillment that comes with working in the great outdoors. Popular fruits and their harvest seasons. Every fruit has its season, and knowing when and where to find the best picking opportunities is crucial. In this chapter, we'll discuss the harvest seasons of popular fruits like apples, oranges, berries, and more across different states. We'll also touch upon the diversity of fruits grown in the USA. Requirements and skills for fruit picking jobs. To land a fruit picking job, there are certain requirements and skills you should possess. We'll walk you through the physical demands, necessary documents, if you're an international worker, and the importance of a positive attitude and teamwork. Finding fruit picking jobs. Now that you're eager to get started, you might wonder where to find fruit picking jobs. In this chapter, we'll explore various avenues for job hunting, including online platforms, job fairs, and contacting farms directly. Life on the orchard. Living and working on an orchard is a unique experience. In this chapter, we'll give you an inside look at what life is like on the orchard, including accommodation options, communal living, and the sense of camaraderie that develops among fruit pickers. Chapter 6. Pay, Benefits, and Safety. Infographics showing average pay rates and benefits. Let's talk about the practical side of things. Fruit picking jobs vary in terms of pay and benefits, and safety is always a top priority. We'll delve into the average pay rates, potential bonuses, and safety measures that orchards implement to ensure a safe working environment. Cultural exchange and travel. Fruit picking jobs attract people from all over the world, making it an excellent opportunity for cultural exchange and travel. In this chapter, we'll hear stories from international fruit pickers, discussing their experiences and the friendships formed during their time on the orchard. Future career opportunities. Fruit picking can be a stepping stone to various other career opportunities in the agricultural sector. We'll showcase individuals who began their journey as fruit pickers and have since pursued successful careers in agriculture or related fields. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our comprehensive guide on fruit picking jobs in the USA. We hope you're as excited as we are about this rewarding experience. Whether you're looking to explore the great outdoors, earn some extra money, or engage in cultural exchange, fruit picking jobs have something to offer for everyone. Background music swells, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on travel, work opportunities, and everything in between. Until next time, happy fruit picking. Background music fades out.